Hi believers, this is Amit from Waya team and I'm here to provide a weekly bite and the road ahead in the markets. The Indian stock market benchmark indices extended their rally for the third consecutive week, marking their best performance since early June. Nifty surged 2.26% to close at 24,677, while the broader market outperformed with rallies exceeding 3% for the week. The Nifty midcap and small cap indices experienced a strong recovery, resulting in a break out from their 3-month falling trend line. The Nifty small cap index is now merely 1% away from its all time high. This upward trend was fueled by positive global cues and RBI policy announcement in line with market expectation. Let's discuss important takeaways from last week's RBI meeting. The Reserve Bank of India held the repo rate steady at 6.5% but reduced the cash reserve ratio CRR by 50 basis points to 4%. This decision aimed to bolster liquidity within the banking system and free up more capital for lending, which will spur growth. The move is seen as positive signal for liquidity in the market and has encouraged investors' confidence, contributing to the upward momentum in the stock prices. Although the RBI conveyed optimism regarding robust demand and industrial growth, persistent high inflation is anticipated, hence potential rate cut may be in February 2025. However, there are few market veterans who expect for a rate cut in the upcoming RBI meetings. Let's talk about FII buying. A significant shift was observed in foreign portfolio investors (FPI's) behavior as they turned net buyers in the first week of December. This marked a departure from their sustained selling trend over the preceding 2 months. Data from NSDL reveals that FPIs purchased Indian equities worth 24,000 crore in December month itself. This change in FII strategy is particularly noticeable in large cap, banking, and IT stocks, which had previously witnessed FII selling. We believe that this segment has further room to appreciate due to fair valuation and reasonable growth. Also, the revival in the broader market participation is supported by an improvement in the market breadth, signaling a sustainable uptrend. Currently, 57% of the stocks in Nifty 500 universe are trading above their 50-day moving average, up from 35% last week. One important news that came last week related to defense, that Defense Acquisition Council (DAC) has approved proposal worth of 21,000 crore, boosting domestic defense player order book further. Expected orders to flow in BL, HAL, BEML, etc., and hence keep them in radar. Globally also, equity markets including Dow Jones and Nasdaq have been registering fresh all-time highs. We anticipate a catch-up activity in the domestic market given its positive correlation with developed markets. The expectation is that increased domestic institutional and retail money will flow into segments like large cap banking and IT, further propelling the market upward. We suggest utilizing any temporary breather to accumulate quality stocks on dips. Going ahead, market is expected to remain healthy and investors should position themselves in high growth, good result category stocks. That's all for today. Wishing you a profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.